in here? Oh, crikey, that's like a safe door. Oh, someone's robbed everything. Let's have a look, I've never seen this before. Oh, it's an old electricity thing. Someone's robbed all bits and bobs off of it. Ah. Somebody's been probably at it in there, leaving their knickers there. Oh. What's happening in here? Yeah, I can't see anything. Torched it, look. Someone's bed. Old exercise bike. Crikey, that is old. Fridge. Oh, it's a bit creepy. Something hung up there. Don't really want to look at that. Not a lot else going on. Surprised they haven't taken those doors, probably because they can't pick them up, they're too heavy. You need a big machine for that. I hadn't even done an intro and I bumped into that place. I wasn't sure, I've never actually noticed that before. Anyway, we're just out on the DIY e-bike today. It's the 2000 watt one, giant TALON. Just out for a leisurely cruise. Hopefully we're not going to bump into any angry people like the last time I was on this. Let's knock it up a few gears. This is a quiet little private road. This is what I love about this thing. It's just the ease of use and the accessibility. You can just really just jump straight on it with your helmet and gloves. Although mine are still in my pocket. We're just out for an explore, and well, already found something I didn't know. Here's the old TWR F1 place, which is being closed down for a while. Abandoned, I don't know, 10 years ago now. I actually went in there once on my Suron when we had the first lockdown, and I was ripping around there for like 10 minutes or something, and then I came out. I was told that there was security, but I was unsure. When I came out, security was just heading in. They'd obviously heard or known that I was there. So I know if I can get in there today, I've got less than probably 5 minutes on this thing before I want to get out of there. Yeah, look at it. Absolute waste. Like a village in there. Doesn't look like it. Not everything. Don't think I can go that way. Don't really need a puncture in here, do you? Can't even get in there. Nerves are going. a real quick look then. It's just all properly abandoned. Shredding the old TWR place. Oh. Like I said, I'm not hanging around. Okay, security will be here within a few minutes. It's just all wrecked and overgrown. Everything's been robbed. Nice little road though. Just got to remember how I get out. Oh, no, that's not the wrong way. You wanted. I seriously want to get out of there pretty quick. He blocked it off. Crikey, fire extinguishers everywhere. Is this where I came in? Ah, by that bin. By the biffer. Quick, we have to get out of here quickly. Hopefully, give the security guard a wasted trip. Yeah, look, the property is monitored by a 24-hour security alarm. All trespassers will be prosecuted. That can't be security already, can it? What are they up to? I enjoyed that. It's a really nice place to just ride. What a waste. You didn't even see a quarter of it. Last time I was... Well, I've been up there previously on foot and someone came and I had to hide. That's all on video somewhere on this channel. It's always worth a little sniff, I suppose, see what's in there. Don't cause any trouble and you shut the gate behind you. What more can you ask? That's the beauty of this thing, you can just jump on it when you like. Just grab your helmet, gloves, and you're pretty much ready to go. Start riding around with all your body armour and that's going to draw attention to yourself. Try and be as discreet as possible, but yeah, that's what I just love about this thing, is its practicality. And it's so light and easy to store. TT waiting for me. Miserable woman. Say thanks then. Well, what are you doing driving one of them up a road like this? Dirt track. Here we are then. A little lake public area. The size of that tree. Let's have a quick look around. I shouldn't really be in on my bike, but I wouldn't leave it anywhere anyway, because it just gets stolen. It's all about relaxation down here. Full of ducks. Lovely little place. Bring your kids down to feed the ducks and stuff. I was just about to ride, but then I thought, no. Respect this place. The smells down here as well just makes everything feel so peaceful. No wind. Gorgeous place. Keep going then, we're nearly out. I can get on the bike, I suppose. One way. Gonna get out in front of this car. I think so. Darn it, it was only a Ford Focus anyway. Been an enjoyable ride today. Had a look in that F1 place, found that other abandoned building, didn't know it was there, didn't know what it was, now I do. And then a nice little peaceful R&R down the wild kind of garden area. Just gonna take it easy and start heading back towards my area. Silent revolution, I love it. Right then, that's been a really enjoyable e-bike session. I enjoyed that bit of exploring with a little bit of tension that I don't want to get caught, obviously, and a little bit of sightseeing down that really nice lake area. Perfect, really. What more could you want? Hope you enjoyed this upload. MOTO Machines out.